You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words in English. They look similar, have pretty much the same pronunciation in English, except for, of course, the first letter. Alright, so let's start with the top word. It's pronounced in British English as pier, okay? Pier, pier. The bottom word, tier. British English now. American English is similar, but the R pronunciation is more accentuated. So let's hear it. American English, US pronunciation. Top word, pier. Pier. Bottom word, tier. So those two have the same pronunciation except for the first letter. So you get a P sound for the top word, a T sound for the bottom. Pier, tier. Pier, tier. Or in American English, pier, tier. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. I think you got it. You got this. Do you? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.